Hi everybody, Mark here at Vengeant Apparatus. In today's vehicle showcase, we have a Ford F550 mini pumper. A little bit unique, we're going to go over this with you. First off, we want to thank two people. We want to thank Fire and Safety, which is our dealer out of New Jersey, and the customer, which is Lebanon Borough Fire. We want to thank both of them for their trust and support of Vengeant Apparatus. And you got an awesome looking truck that we're going to go over with you. So F550 sitting on the super singles, as you can see. We have a buck stop lift kit here in the front, M4s in the bumper, Summit stick lights with reds, blues, and whites. That all goes obviously to scene lights as well, the Summit sticks. Right now we're flashing the fog light holes down there at the bottom. They can obviously go steady burn. We got a super synthetic winch cable for our winch here in the front bumper. And if you notice, I said midship mini pumper, but we have pump and roll on this truck. So we actually are running two pumps on this truck. We're running the Darley pump that's ran off the hydrogen system off the PTO side, which is a hydraulic driven little Darley pump. And then we're also running our midship 1500 GPM Hale pump, which is a split shaft. So we got the capability of running our ground sweeps, which do a 35-foot coverage across the front of the truck. Our ground sweeps and the hose reel out the back run off the PTO pump. So small trash fires, small car fires, things of that nature, you don't have to start the midship pump to get water out of the truck. Run PTO pump. So let's move around to the side of the truck. Some V-series here in the sides. Liberty bar up top, flashing duo colors, flashing red, white right now. Custom built running boards right here at Vengeant. That's a diamond plate with the black grip strut inlay, which are all powder coated. Custom badging on the side with the subdued eagle in it. Inside the truck, we have the console, which is made right here in-house, bed liner coated. Wheel and core controller, the PTO startup, customer supplied radios, and then the air switches down there in the bottom as well, which are for the tank to pump for the little PTO, the air switch for the valve for the front ground sweeps, and then also for the hose reel in the back. This truck specifically, a little hard to see, we got some equipment in here for the customer, but we have a console that goes the whole way back through the center with single seats here in the back. So a 4-man cab, 1500 GPM pump, featuring the FRC pump boss for our controller. We have an MIV valve here on the side, so the butterfly valve here on the inside. Extruded aluminum body, built here in-house with FRC tank gauges on all three sides of the truck. 2 pre-connects, and then we also have a transverse storage up top. Polished rub rails, customer radio here, clip, PPC interior compartments, lots of storage space all around the truck, bottle holders. This one's fuel. Wheel chocks, storage on the bottom, one front, one rear, collapsible wheel chocks. We have Fire Tech scene lights in the sides, and we have Whelen M9 warning up high. Coming around to the back, 300 gallon of water, so we can stay within our GVW capacity. We have 2 rear discharges. These will also go up and lay into the hose bed if the customer would like to have like a pre-connect version. We have our rear hose reel built into the back with our fair leads, backup camera here, some extra storage down here in the bottom, hitch receiver, plugs, pull-out steps, M-series lights into the bezel, bottom ones are warning, and we have brake, tail, turn, and reverse lights, flip down steps, hard sleeve area wrapped in stainless steel trim, trimming that out, making it look nice. DNS hose bed cover, customized with the word Lebanon in the back. just a cool looking project, cool looking truck, super singles. It has everything from the PTO pump to the midship pump. This truck can literally go just about anywhere, get everything done for the customer. Supply a ladder truck, supply multiple hand lines, however you want to do it, or something as simple as running the hose reel out the back with limited manpower. If you like what you see, we're out of Annville, Pennsylvania, building vehicles all over the world. We'd be more than happy to help you out. Make sure you check our website out at vengeantapparatus.com. You can also call us at 717-473-3843. We hope you like our vehicle showcase and have a great day.